Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant freezes my PC and screen freezing when playing Valorant. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. Select change default graphics settings. In here you can able to see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. You just need to turn that option off. After that just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select power options. On left side select choose what the power buttons do. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup and select save changes option. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Under performance select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory select change. Uncheck automatically manage packing file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that select custom size. Now you need to find out how much RAM you have. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In here you can able to see your installed RAM listed over here. In my case I have 16 GB RAM. After that just close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values, installer size and maximum size. Now copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying this value. Installer size and same for maximum size. Copy the value depends on your RAM. And select the set option. Now the value should be set under the paging file size. Select the OK option. Select apply and OK. Select the OK option. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. Go to startup apps. In here you just need to disable unnecessary startup programs. I recommend to disable BlueStacks, Epic Games Launcher, Steam, Battle.net and EA Launcher. After disabling these, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.